you go.
Oh, this isn't good.
Hold up, Jim!
Ready?
Yeah, let me get in there. Might need to grab it even lower.
Shit! Fell down the hill.
Look, Dave. What if you bring the strap around the tree? Yeah, to get the angle like much better. Like this tree right here.
I just don't want you breaking that bitch again. You know?
Yeah. I need to back up. I was digging.